Have you ever had one of those moments where everything is fine and then boom, gone? Yeah, that happened to me. November 6, 2024. Gold trade. Trump just got re-elected and me, I lost a lot because of this. I had been building this account for weeks, from $300 to $4,000. Then came the election night. Trump wins and the market goes wild. I'm watching the charts, ready to make my move. And then the connection drops. Not for a second, not for a minute. Long enough for gold to crash. By the time I got back, my account was wiped. I just stared at the screen. It hit me hard, not just the money, the fact that nothing is guaranteed. I took a break, cleared my head, and started again. Slowly, smaller trades, more control. I was growing and I felt in charge. Losses happen, the market doesn't care. What matters is getting back on your feet. I did, and I kept going. Now I trade with discipline, I am consistent, I cover my expenses, and support my family. And I still trade gold, but with clear rules, steady hand, and a better internet connection.